So we are at my newest listing at 957 Rosedale Road in Virginia Highland. This is a really unique property. It was originally a 2-bedroom, 2-bath that they completely gutted and renovated and added a whole second floor. So you could see that this is a beautiful open concept design with living room, sitting area, dining room, all open to the kitchen. And when I say open concept, I mean open. So not only is the kitchen open to living space and dining room, but it is actually open into your outdoor space. This is an incredibly unique design that is really perfectly designed for entertaining. This is the house you want to have a party at. So here we are in the primary suite, and the unique detail of this is that it's on the main level with access to this amazing patio with the telescoping doors. The bathroom features a clawfoot tub and a large shower with built-in bench with a rainfall shower head. So now we're in the second bedroom on the main level that makes an ideal office suite. It has the built-ins as well as doors so that you can close out all the madness. So now we're in the upstairs portion, which was a complete add-on from the owners. We have this amazing landing that's perfect for seating area, for couches, for additional desks. It's really great additional space. And then we have 3 full bedrooms that are very spacious, one with an attached ensuite, and then 1 hall bathroom as well, as additional little nook details, such as this amazing day bed that's in the hallway that's perfect for sleepovers or for reading a book. And there's even a bonus room that's currently set up as an office, but has also been used as the perfect exercise space. So in addition to the covered porch, you also have this beautiful sun deck. We are in the further part of the backyard. The driveway actually comes up. You can park behind the gates and come all the way back, or you can use this as additional entertaining and play space. You can see they have a basketball goal set up here as well. There is a garage that would be perfect to change into a carriage house. There are already plans drawn for that, as well as complete low maintenance living, as this backyard is actually turf. So great for playing in, but not having to do a lot of work in. And then beyond that is Callan-walled. So you're not going to lose any of this privacy and this lush greenery anytime soon.